cancer. No, instead I and now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.
So what's up, guys? I'm on my way to like a very special and nice construction site. It's like, even if it doesn't look like it's in a forest, I guess, or I have to pass a small street in like middle of a forest. And I already was there like, I don't know, maybe 2 years ago, and I'm not pretty sure where the entrance is, but I guess we will figure it out. That stones are mine, or delivered from me. It's like we're in the middle of a city, and then we're in the middle of a forest. Oh no. That will take ages, I guess. Then it has to be to the left, like this GPS says. Oh no, it's not this entrance. It's this. What? Ah, it's right there. Okay. So I will film the uploading part.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance it. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
Okay, so I just unloaded the stones right there, and I can't get that curve, so we just make another turn. But lucky us, here is enough space to do whatever I want with my truck. So, and I don't want to use the usual turn. I need to clean my mirrors, it's insane. Okay. I'm nice, I will wait. Oh shit, space. Okay, so I just talked to them, and that will be not the last time that I will deliver something to them, cause it was an old like sports club where you can play basketball and volleyball. Is that right? I don't know. And now they are building a big camping place. Is that right? I'm not sure. Well, a place where you can rest with your living trailer and stuff. And I have to get back on that highway down there, but in that direction. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Check out my other videos, support the channel, help me out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.